Hi, I'm Chris. I've been a professional groomer for 28 years. One of the most commonly asked questions is how do I keep my dog's ears clean at home? Using a professional product like the FURminator ear cleaner, you want to place a few drops in each of the dog's ears. Then you can just gently massage your pet's ears to work the cleaner down into the ear canal. Taking a Q-tip, you want to gently insert and wipe around the edges of the ear. Follow that with a quick swab of a cotton ball. And just like that, your pet's ears are clean and healthy.